Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to backtest using Tradovate. So first of all, you need to come here on Tradovate and then log in into your account. Now over here in the bottom, you are going to see this type of account section. So what you need to do is you need to simply just click on this particular drop down menu and then select the option of go to replay. Now this way the replay option is going to be activated for you. So over here you need to first of all select the start date. So you can choose the calendar and you can just simply select the year. So let's have selected it 2025 from 1st of August. Then I'm just going to simply click on the option of OK. Now over here you can also increase or decrease the speed. So let's say I'm going to just simply make it 150. After that you can just simply select whether you want to replay your trades or not. So over here click on the option of start replay. Now over here it is going to basically, if it shows you some kind of error, so you just have to make changes into that, and then it on the top it is going to show you that this is your replay account that you are currently using. So this is the replay account. So now you can just simply select your chart and you can start using the replay option. You can backtest your strategy over here. With the help of these options you can also choose the stop loss, the take profits, and see whether your strategy is working in the real markets or not. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.